I am Andrew Johnson. I'm an electrical engineering student here at UM-Dearborn, and I'll be graduating in summer of 2023. The ECE program here, I think, is super cool. On top of all of the classwork you're able to do with a bunch of extracurriculars and electric vehicles and such, you actually get access to a lot of extra facilities like the Institute for Advanced Vehicle Systems with the student teams and our manufacturing lab, that even if you're like me, an electrical engineer, or even like comp sci, you can still get access to our welding machining facilities, which is super cool. I chose this program because, first off, it was a lot more affordable than a lot of the other universities in the area. And then also, you have the ability to get easier access to research at this institution. I personally, even as an electrical engineer, I actually work in the combustion engine research lab doing research on combustion engine efficiency, just because that's a field I'm interested in. I feel like coming to UM-Dearborn allows me to get access to such research opportunities. I like the access to the extracurriculars. I run the autonomous racing program here, which has been absolutely phenomenal. I get to work with super cool machinists over in machining and welding labs, and the access to research. I feel like I'm not sure if I'd be able to get the same experience at any other location. Top of the typical, learning about electrical engineering properties and all of that, I've really learned how to work in projects and work on teams, both as a member and as a leader. There's a lot of focus on project-based learning here. So learning how to manage people, manage time, setting deadlines, actually getting career applicable experience. So when I go out to my career, I'm a lot better prepared to work on projects. I think one of my favorite courses was Electric Machines and Drives. That was a really cool course that's a little bit newer in the program. I just think it was a lot of fun being able to learn about EVs. It's nice that the university is really pushing towards and working with the trends that the industry is going with. And then also my robotic manipulation course, it's super cool. I've had all these ideas when I was younger about what I could do with engineering, being able to build robotic arms that mimic your own arms, and actually getting the resources to make these projects has been a super cool experience. Get involved in the extracurriculars and utilize all of your resources. I mean, you pay for tuition, which gets you your classes and your labs, except on top of all of that, you get access to a multi-million-dollar manufacturing lab with amazing staff. You get access to student teams where you get to build rockets and race cars and travel, all without needing to pay any extra money. That all just are perks that come with being a student here. I think getting involved, meeting like-minded individuals in engineering field, I get to meet up with executives of engineering companies and actually getting skills that I'll be able to apply once when I graduate. I feel like it's really going to give me a leg up in my career. So for me, I feel like the most special part of my time here at UM-Dearborn has been my time with the engineering competition teams, being able to be given a budget that has sponsors and milestone goals, and being able to apply all of the skills that I learned in class into a massive project, working with, I'm an electrical engineer, working with computer science and mechanical engineers and building amazing projects. It's just been probably one of the coolest things I ever could have done. Yeah, so I am actually the president of the Intelligent Systems Club. That is our autonomous racing program here at UM-Dearborn. I'm actually one of the students that founded the autonomous racing program. On top of being with the Intelligent Systems Club, I'm actually part of a social org. It's the society, the Student Association for Filipino Americans, which is super cool because it allows me to meet up with people that have similar social aspects to what I'm looking for, but then also being able to meet people that have, they're also engineers working on a similar goal. It's super cool being able to really broaden my experience, meet a lot of cool people. I think the most unique part about UM-Dearborn is how it's a lot more affordable than most of the colleges in the area, and it's a lot smaller class size and student body wise. But you still have access to an amazing amount of resources. Looking at, our student body is roughly 1,500 students, but we're able to get access to a manufacturing lab, join engineering competition teams that get well funded by both sponsors and the university. So it's really easy to apply all the skills that you learned in your class, like into an actual project that you can actually like see and work with and show off, which has been super cool. And it's just nice being able to balance, the classroom size I want, but still get all of the resources and experiences for my career.